Bereshit, chapter 5. This is the book of the generations of Adam. In the day that Elohim created man, he made him in Elohim's likeness. He created them male and female, and blessed them, and called their name Adam, in the day when they were created. Adam lived 130 years, and became the father of a son in his own likeness, after his image, and named him Shet. The days of Adam after he became the father of Shet were 800 years, and he became the father of sons and daughters. All the days that Adam lived were 930 years. Then he died. Shet lived 105 years, and became the father of Enosh. Shet lived after he became the father of Enosh 807 years, and became the father of sons and daughters. All the days of Shet were 912 years. Then he died. Enosh lived 90 years, and became the father of Kenan. Enosh lived after he became the father of Kenan 815 years, and became the father of sons and daughters. All the days of Enosh were 905 years. Then he died. Kenan lived 70 years, and became the father of Mahalalel. Kenan lived after he became the father of Mahalalel 840 years, and became the father of sons and daughters. And all the days of Kenan were 910 years. Then he died. Mahalalel lived 65 years, and became the father of Yared. Mahalalel lived after he became the father of Yared 830 years, and became the father of sons and daughters. All the days of Mahalalel were 895 years. Then he died. Yared lived 162 years, and became the father of Hanok. Yared lived after he became the father of Hanok 800 years, and became the father of sons and daughters. All the days of Yared were 962 years. Then he died. Hanok lived 65 years, and became the father of Metushelach. Hanok walked with Elohim after he became the father of Metushelach 300 years, and became the father of sons and daughters. All the days of Hanok were 365 years. Hanok walked with Elohim, and he was not, for Elohim took him. Metushelach lived 187 years, and became the father of Lamech. Metushelach lived after he became the father of Lamech 782 years, and became the father of sons and daughters. All the days of Metushelach were 969 years. Then he died. Lamech lived 182 years, and became the father of a son. And he named him Noach, saying, "This same will comfort us in our work and in the toil of our hands, because of the ground which Yahuwah has cursed." Lamech lived after he became the father of Noach 595 years, and became the father of sons and daughters. All the days of Lamech were 777 years. Then he died. Noach was 500 years old, and Noach became the father of Shem, Ham, and Yefet.